Hey everyone, this is Angela, and I just wanted to show you this Goodwill thrift flip for fall and just how easy it is to take an ordinary piece and turn it into something adorable for fall. I found this at my Goodwill for $4.99. It had been at Target originally for $19.99, and I thought we could turn it into something that would be cute in our fall decor. I just wanted to show you that you can take everyday items and turn them into fall things very simply. For instance, I started off and I just took these little fairy lights. Instead of putting a candle in it, I didn't want to put a candle in it, so I just took these fairy lights and I put those inside of the lantern. Then I took these two flower picks bushes that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I simply stuck them in the top of the little lantern. And I'm sorry that you can't see it. I didn't realize that the camera wasn't showing it. Next, I took this ribbon that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree and made just a simple bow to put on the front of the little lantern. After I did that, I went to the end of the bow and just cut the ends of it so that it was dovetailed. Then I just took a little dab of hot glue and glued it straight to the little lantern. And that is it. That's all it took to turn this simple little lantern into a cute fall decor for your home. I hope you get some inspiration from it the next time you go to Goodwill or a thrift store or a garage sale, and maybe you can find something that you can flip and turn into something adorable for your home this fall. Thanks for watching. God bless.